At last, we've reached the absolute final step before we can bring everything together into a dynamic, clickable menu. Now, we'll create the last set of GIFs. Let's start by duplicating slide 1. Then, delete both background covers, the brown and the black, as we no longer need them. While we're at it, delete the teardrop as well to clean up the slide. Once that's done, go to the Home tab, open the selection pane under Arrange, and select all objects. With all the objects selected, go to the Shape Format tab. Remove the fill so that the shapes become transparent, and then add a white outline to make them stand out against the background. Now, we need to make one last adjustment before we're done. Select the comet outer shape and change its fill color to brown. This will ensure the comet maintains a clean and polished look against the background. Once you've made this change, play the slide one last time to check that everything looks just right. Duplicate slide 2, so we can create the brown version in the same way. Select all the objects, including the stars, and go to the Shape Format tab. Change the outline color to brown and set the background to white. Finally, just like before, change the comet outer fill to white to ensure it looks clean and polished. Once you've made these adjustments, play the slide to confirm everything looks good. Once you've completed the adjustments, go ahead and export both slides as GIFs, just as we've done in previous sessions.